Yeah, the Bute Discs, they're a different disc chain system altogether. You might know of another company, another Australian company, but we offer something different. We're highly flexible. We have very sharp cutting blades. We have 6 1/4 inch spacings, so we have 25% more discs cutting the residue and cutting out the weeds. And the discs are also replaceable, so once they wear out and you want to change them out, unbolt them and put new ones on. Yeah, we're over here in the States. We're looking for distributors actually. So if you have any inquiries and becoming a distributor for Bute Discs, please give myself a call or jump on the website www.butediscs.com.